Alright, just thought I would show you. Ice is all gone. The trees are crashed. In a couple of hours, we're supposed to be getting another ice storm. Yep. We're going to get more ice overnight, and they're already starting to pre-salt. You can see the green salt on the ground. Hoping the rain don't start until after I get the kids from school. But, yeah. More ice. Yippee. Yippee skippy. Tomorrow, at this time, it's supposed to be 70. Fun, fun, fun. You can see all the salt on the ground. Like I said, hoping the snow and the ice and the rain don't start before I get out. Get the kids from school. There's an oldie but a goodie. Yes, I am back inside because it's really cold out there. Just hoping that, like I said, holds off until I get Ellie from school. But they are pre-salting out there. I expect to see the salt truck here to do the lot pretty soon. Rain, snow, 60-kilometer-an-hour winds, ice, freezing rain. All before tomorrow when it's supposed to be 17 Celsius or 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Insane. The ice that we had the other day is just all melted off now, last night pretty much. The rest of it disappeared and then the cold weather started blowing back in. We're all sitting here today. Trump's Liberation Day tariffs is the big news all around here. Everybody's waiting to see what happens. The Congress is working on a bill to cancel his emergency so that his tariffs are done away with, especially on the allies, because his claim of fentanyl is an illegal claim. It's not true, so he shouldn't be doing the tariffs. It's Congress's job to tariff when they're not in an emergency. He has not proved any emergency or any war, either one, at all. And if he wants to continue doing this, he's going to have to write a very specific written plan and how he proposes it's going to help rid the country of fentanyl by tariffing Canada, who's the least of the problem. So there's that. You're not going to be able to put any more tariffs if they pass that at all. They've lost all, except with the exception of Florida, they lost all the elections last night. Even school boards went with Democrats. So And now Trump is blaming it all on Musk and saying Musk has to go. So I guess Doge is over with. And, once Doge is gone, Congress is going to have to take those purse strings back, and you can guarantee all the changes that they made are going to be overturned. Every one of them. Because the courts have already been demanding it, and Trump has been ignoring it. But Congress cannot. It's still, no matter what Trump wants anybody to think, it's still a government by the people, for the people, of the people. Not of Trump, by Trump, for Trump. And he didn't have no huge mandate, and what the little mandate that he did have is completely gone. Completely wiped out. His disapproval rating is higher than his election win right at this moment. If they held the election, anybody but Trump would win. Your grandmother, maybe. Probably could win. And make better sense than Trump is. Without a doubt. Anyway, we're waiting, hoping against hope that if this stuff comes down, it is still super cold. It's supposed to be cold. It's supposed to start at 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon. I'm hoping it holds that long. I just want to be able to walk back home without being soaking wet by rain. Snow is bad enough, and I really don't want to see that either. At all. But I hate the wind. The wind is wicked. It gets so bad here. It like sucks the wind from you, and you have to turn your back to it and try to catch your breath. It sucks the air right out. I think I'm starting to see a flurry here and there now. And it's not near close to time for school to be done. I still got at least 2 hours. So you guys seem to like our music and our news. And I don't know if I think I'm gonna start doing some live stuff, but it's hard here because I don't have a studio. Like I said, sitting in the middle of the building with a kitchen behind me and a bathroom, and a living room to the left and a bedroom to the right. No separate room for a studio. It's difficult. It's difficult even to do a live recorded video. Right now I'm standing in a bedroom by myself. And I still can hear people in and out of the kitchen and the bathroom. And looking out the window with the cameras, not the most interesting in the world. But we do have weather we're contending with. That's what this was about. That's what I started. You can see the salt on the ground over there in front of the doorways. Salt in the front at the walks. And like I said, the salt truck will be pulling in soon. He'll just salt before everything starts. Before it gets a chance to freeze. Surprised I don't see the birds on the wire over there. Because there are usually hundreds of them sitting up there. But it's very quiet. There's nothing flying in the sky. Very unusual. Probably all hiding because they know the bad weather's coming. They could probably sense it or feel it in the air, ready to hit. It is kind of feeling cold and damp. It's kind of strange since there's no moisture out there at all, and the colder it gets, the drier the air gets. Anyway, this is where we're at. At least I got to see that old car while I was outside down the street. That was cool. It was an old 65 Cadillac or something like that. Or maybe it was a Chrysler, but it had fins. So between 58 and 60 something, 62, 63, something like that. Been a long time since I seen my grandfather's car, I could say. He's into those old Cadillacs and with fins. Anyway, at least until another week or so, this is the only kind of vlog I can get into because I can't deal with the weather out there. Too old for that stuff. But I hope you'll give us a like and a follow, subscribe. More is coming, I promise. We'll see you later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.